We'll guide you through how to make a Game Pass for Please Donate on an iPad or tablet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A Game Pass will then go and appear in Please Donate and you can start getting donations. Come up to an unclaimed stand in Please Donate. We can then tap and hold to claim it. You can see I've already got some buttons here, but I'll show you how we can go and make a Game Pass, go and add one. To get started, press the Roblox icon in the top left and we can go and leave like so. Come out of the Roblox app and open up a web browser. That could be Chrome or Safari on an iPad, it doesn't matter. Tap on the address bar and type in create.roblox.com. It'll look like this and we can press enter. It'll look like this and we can press enter. And what we can do is go and press login in the top right and you can then sign into your account. When you have, press dashboard at the top. In creations, tap experiences, then my experiences. By default, everybody will have a place which you can then go and tap on. You may need to tap it twice. Over to the left and you can scroll down in monetization and press passes. Scroll down and press create a pass. You can add a picture if you wish and add a name. Add a description if you wish and press create pass. Now you can scroll down and you can go and find it and you need to go and tap on it. You may need to tap it twice. Then go over to the left and press sales and switch on item for sale. Type in the default price. This is the donation amount. For example, I've just done 2 there and we can press save changes. If you agree here, press proceed. Find an unclaimed stand and you can come to it and tap and hold. And as you can see, there is the Game Pass we made and it's now appearing in Please Donate.